Hi guys, I am back. How's everybody doing? Thank you for such positive feedback on my last video. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys. So I'm just here briefly. I just wanted to share something with you. I'm sure many of you, if not all of you, shop at Sephora, and you know they have their Sephora Insider rewards. So you've got the Beauty Insiders, the VIBs, and the VIB Rouges. And you can collect points for everything that you purchase. So, and then you can trade them in to get sample size products, or sometimes there's really cool gifts like trips. You can go and watch makeup be made and go to famous hair studios like out in LA or wherever. And I've been saving my points probably, oh wow, probably 2 years, year and a half ish, 2 years, somewhere around there. I don't know. But recently Sephora sent out an email about them changing their policy. Eventually some of the points are going to start expiring or something like that. Don't quote me on the whole thing, but it's something along the lines. So every time that I've gone on there to get something that I liked, it was gone. Like, they only give you, well, not you, but they only have, sometimes they may only have like 5 pieces of whatever it is that they're going to give away. Like, Kat Von D has some cool stuff on there sometimes, but it's like gone, just like that, just like that. So anyway, I had like close to 1,800 points saved, and I'm like, okay, I want to do something with it, but none of this stuff is working out. And then I keep scrolling down and I see what I ended up getting. So it probably won't be used for what it's supposed to be. You know how you can take things and make it do what you want it to do, or whatever, make it what you want it to be. So anyway, how many of you have heard of Sweaty Betty? Sweaty Betty is an athletic store. They're based out of London, and they have really cool stuff. So if you do work out, I'm not sure about their sizing. You might want to double check on that. But they also have, you know, different accessories and everything. But really cool looking stuff. So go to sweatybetty.com, check it out, see if you like their stuff. So I'm not going to keep talking. I will get something else from Sweaty Betty, because part of the gift was a $15 gift card to use online. So I'll get something with this. Y'all know me. I will, yeah, something. So that's that. And this was just a little card that came in the box from Sephora. It says, Beauty Insider Rewards Bazaar. This is big. A reward like this calls for celebration, and we want to see it. Snap and share using hashtag Sephora Rewards. Because this is more than a reward, this is your lifestyle. Or this is a lifestyle. So that's that. That's really cool. I have not done that yet, but I am. So on to the main attraction. I don't want one of these every color. You guys, look at this bag. Okay? Just look at this. And it's huge. It's huge. So, okay, this is supposed to be a gym bag. I'm not going to use that as a gym bag. I already have a Nike gym bag that I have that I use when I do go to the gym, which is, yeah, more about that later. I definitely need to work on that. So y'all pray for me, okay? Not even trying to lose weight, but just want to be healthier. So anyway, this is a gym bag, but I think I'm just going to use this like as an everyday carry-all for everything. But this is it. It's a beautiful olive, like army green. So let me just show you. Okay, let me show you the bottom first. Okay, so here we've got yoga straps for you to put in your yoga mat. I need to take those off because I will be putting things in here very soon. And it's got the little feet on the bottom to protect the bottom of your bag when you do sit it down on the floor. So that'll keep this beautiful fabric, and it really is soft, you guys. It'll keep this fabric from getting scruffed up and torn. And so back here on this side, all of this zips open, and underneath here, there's a whole compartment. Again, if you're using this as a gym bag, okay? There's a whole compartment underneath here that is waterproof that you can put. Oh my God, it's gonna get me. No. I'm not right. Okay. I'm totally not editing that out. Anyway, it's waterproof. You could put your wet gym towels down here. You could store your sneakers down here. So, and that's pretty huge storage space. So that's that. And then you guys saw the pocket here. And then on the inside, let me throw that box over there. We have double zippers here. One suggestion that I would make, Sweaty Betty, is furnish locks with these, or provide like a cute little Sweaty Betty lock, because you know, if people are at the gym, or if not, you know, if you've got your bag at work, you still might want to lock it up. So, and I notice that there are, you know, little holes here in the tip of the zipper. So if you can find a lock that fits that, that'll work out. But it would just really be cool to have a lock that has your emblem, your trademark on it, your logo. So we open it up. Okay, on the inside here, we've got another compartment, and this zips closed. I had it open. This is also waterproof, so whatever you have that may be damp or wet, you can also place that in there. And then there's another pocket here. You can put your keys, your cell phone, whatever it is that you need to carry with you, you can put that in there. And then I've also got this little net. I don't know if you guys can see that. This little net pocket, which would be great for a water bottle. I don't know, tequila, whatever. So, and it's very, very roomy inside. Very roomy. I mean, this bag is huge, guys. And it does have the label, Sweaty Betty London. I don't know if you guys can see that. And this bag retails for $165. And totally worth that 1,500 points that I had, because it had just been sitting there and I was doing nothing with it. So that worked out great. Also, because it is a gym bag, these 3 products came with it. And they're from Amika. Amika is a hair product line that is sold at Sephora, but I've actually been thinking about getting it to sell in my salon and use in my salon, because when was that? Some time ago, I was subscribed to Birchbox, and I got my first Amika product sample from Birchbox, and it was a conditioning mask, and I loved it. Loved it. It smelled so good. It worked great on my kinky hair. It softened it, detangled it. So that got me investigating a little more. I ordered more stuff, and I loved it. So I'm really thinking about getting this in the salon. So this comes with a dry shampoo, a Silken Up dry conditioner, which is great. I like using that on clients, especially if I'm doing a dry haircut and you know we don't shampoo. That just kind of helps tame it down and soften the hair. And then we have touchable hairspray. So I will take these to the salon and either just use them or give them to clients. I don't know. Whatever we decide to do. So that was it, guys. I just wanted to show you that I'm in love with that bag. It's got me talking fast because I'm so ready to just start shoving stuff in it. I want you guys to look for something else really soon. I had a cool idea about something today that I'm going to try out. I just popped my knuckle, and my friend said you shouldn't do that because it can give you arthritis. I don't know, but it felt great. I'll try to do it again. But anyway, that's that. Look for something soon, and leave your questions, comments, suggestions, and please subscribe if you're new here, and like the video, share the video, and I'm trying to think if that's it, and I think it is. So I will see you guys later. Bye.